Hello and welcome to the first instructional video on Waves platform by vienna-node. In this first video, I'll give you an introduction to the Waves platform wallet, talk a little bit about the main features, and we will dive deeper into all of these features in upcoming videos. To access the wallet, go to wavesplatform.com. Please make sure that you've entered the address exactly with no spelling mistakes and that this green lock is present, which means that your connection to the server is encrypted. You'll get an invitation to join the Waves platform community Telegram channel, which is always a good idea to stay up to date with all the news and developments. As you can see on this page, you can use the online version of the wallet, or you can download the desktop version of the wallet for Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Those are actually exactly the same software packages. The online client has just been packaged for distribution on the desktop PC. For this demonstration, I'll use the online client. When you click on the online client link, a new tab will open and you'll get some introductory information. There is no company that holds your account on the Waves platform. You are the only one with access to the account, and you are the one who needs to make sure that you always have access to your account and that you keep it safe from others. You do that by keeping safely stored and backed up several times your seed phrase, which consists of 15 randomly generated words which are connected to your account. Do read this introductory information, as it's very important for you to not lose access to your funds. Once you have clicked through all the introductory information, you will be presented with a screen where you have two options. One is to generate a new account from scratch, and the other is to restore an account that you already have, maybe on a different device like your cell phone or a different PC. If you choose to create a new account by clicking on the Get Started button here, your seed phrase will be generated for you automatically. There is a neat trick here, however. If you want to create an account with seed phrase that you choose yourself, you can click on Restore Account and then just enter a set of words in any language and in any way you want to. For example, this is a sentence which creates my Waves wallet. You'll see that as I was typing this, I was being given a set of addresses. That's because any set of words that you enter in the Restore Account field here can generate actually a Waves wallet address. As I wrote here, you can even accidentally stumble upon somebody else's wallet by just entering sets of random words here. The likelihood that you will actually open somebody else's wallet is far smaller than the likelihood of getting hit by a meteor, so I wouldn't worry too much about it. But since we've created an account in this creative way, let's keep it. The next question you'll be asked in case of creation of a new account, or if you're restoring your existing account, is to provide a password. Please note, this password only protects your account on the device that you're creating it on. If you restore your account on a different device, you will need to set up a different password, and you don't need this password that you enter here in order to access your account. I've created a very weak password here, but that doesn't matter for demonstration purposes. I would definitely recommend to not allow your browser to save your password for your wallet. And there, you're done. You've created your first Waves wallet account. There are a few things that you need to make sure that you understand. First of all, as I mentioned before, your account is not controlled or held by a company. If you lose your seed phrase, you will lose access to your funds and nobody can restore it for you. So please do back up your seed phrase multiple times in secure locations. And this second one states that your account can be recovered by entering your seed phrase on a different device without any issues. Finally, if you would like to help improve the Waves wallet, you can send some anonymous usage statistics to the Waves development team. Let's do that here. And there, this is the first page of your Waves wallet. Honestly, it can be quite overwhelming at first use. There is lots to take in. For example, here you see the price development of the Waves token over the past month, or a week if you choose that here, or over the past 24 hours if you choose that here. You can also look at the price development of Bitcoin and Ethereum. And at the lower half of the screen, you see your current account information for Waves, Bitcoin, Ethereum, US dollars, euros, Litecoin, Zcash, and Bitcoin Cash. You can keep all of these and many other currencies in your Waves wallet. I obviously don't have any yet because I haven't sent any funds to this newly created address. Your address is equivalent to your bank account, so people can send you funds to your address. Your Waves address is similar to your bank account. This is all the information that somebody needs in order to send you a token available on the Waves platform to your wallet. You can click here to copy it and paste it in an email to send to somebody. But since this is quite an ugly collection of characters, impossible to memorize, this function here enables you to create an alias. For example, my wallet. And from then on, others will be able to send you funds by only entering this alias and not worrying about this account address. In order to create an alias, we need 0.001 waves, and since we don't have any, we're not able to create an alias here. In the top row of the wallet interface here, you can access main tabs for using the application. Assets is the tab that we're seeing here. Portfolio gives you an overview of all the tokens on the Waves platform. For now, we don't have any, so there's only Waves as the default token, but there's balance of 0 of Waves even. Transactions tab shows all of your transactions, that's incoming and outgoing, exchanged, leased, and issued. I will explain all of those in future videos. The last tab here is leasing, which allows you to lease your Waves to a node on the Waves blockchain platform. Leasing your Waves actually improves the security of the overall platform and can generate some fees for you, but we will cover that in more detail. Along the left vertical edge, you also have some features. First is your wallet, which is a feature we're actually using now. The second icon in the row is the Waves exchange. So unlike with other cryptocurrency wallets, you have an exchange built right into the Waves wallet. For example, if you would like to buy some Bitcoin and you have some Waves already, you can do that here. There's thousands of other currencies or tokens that you can buy using the Waves exchange. We'll cover all of that in detail. The third icon is Token Generation tab. You can actually issue your own token on the Waves platform. We'll cover that in an upcoming video as well. Towards the bottom, you have the application settings. Here you can switch off anonymous usage statistics sending to the Waves development team. You can change the application language between English, Russian, and Korean at the moment. You can check the current height of the Waves blockchain. Currently, we're at the block 938,134. This changes quite rapidly. This is the security for your account. And if you click here, you will get the seed phrase. That's the seed phrase we use to generate this wallet address. You can also display your private key, which you most probably won't be needing. And then your public key is a publicly available piece of information, and your wallet address, again displayed here. If you go to the network tab, you can see which node you're connected to. I would, of course, change this to api.vienna-node.eu. And the matcher address is the address of the server providing the Waves exchange functionality. In the info tab, you can see which version of the software you're using. At the moment, it's Waves Client 1, beta version 21. You can see the link for accessing support and some copyright information. Let's go to the main wallet tab again. We started off from here. At the moment, there's no cryptocurrencies in my wallet. The best way to get them is to send some from a different account. Again, if you want to send your address to somebody in an email or a messenger message, you can copy it here. Or if you want to send some tokens from your cell phone wallet, you can scan this QR code here.